running really smooth so far. This is fantastic. All right. Yeah, and keep in mind, like I said, I'm running about E22 right now, so not real high on the ethanol count. So for added horsepower, it's not a huge amount, but man, got a little bit of crabbing out of the back there, and that was what, third gear, I think, coming out. So yeah, you can feel it. It's like you cross about 2,500 RPM and you get a big jump in power. Big jump in power. And this is just in 6th gear up on the freeway. So, or highway. This is just a quick experiment, that's all. Just a quick out and back, just to get a sense of how this tune feels. You can tell the install is really simple. It's very quick. It just took a matter of seconds. It's not like it used to be where you'd have to wait, 20 minutes or something for your tune to be applied. The ride adapter and BM3 is really quick. The tune's really quick. So yeah, car is running really smoothly. I like it. Yeah, boost is high. I'm looking at my other gauge right now, and I saw boost as high as 29.7, and well over stock. And that isn't me really getting on it either. That was as enthusiastic as I would want to be on a public road.